Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countif in Excel with multiple criteria. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a large data. So here I'm going to use the Countif function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the count and select the Countif function. In the range, select the entire data range, select the first cell here and use the shift control right arrow then down arrow to select the entire range of data. After that, use the comma and enter your criteria. So here I'm going to enter the multiple criteria. Therefore, I used here the curly bracket. In curly bracket, use the double quote, and here I enter the electronics category. So I want the count of electronic category. Okay. So again, I used a double quote, comma, again used a double quote. Now I'm going to count the sofa product. This is a sofa product. So I enter here the sofa in double quote and again use a comma. Now I just in double quote enter the clothing category. So I just enter here clothing. Okay, again use the double quote, close the curly bracket and use the bracket close to function and just press the enter, and that's it. Here you can see the count of specific category is showing here with the product also. The sofa product is a 416 count. If you want to cross check, simply select the cell and apply here the filter, shift control L, shortcut key to apply the filter. Then click on the product icon of the filter and search here the sofa. So I search here the sofa and select the cell, use the shift control down arrow to select the entire data. Count is a 416. It's meant it's correctly calculated by using the Countif function. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.